there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a gorgeous 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 with a 6-speed manual trimmed in Gentian Blue. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here we have a 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 in Gentian Blue Metallic with black interior and shark blue accents. I love this Gentian Blue. In fact, I wish I was filming this outside because it really, you get some of this color indoors, but outside in the sun, it just looks fantastic. Let's do a quick lap around it. Just a stunning looking car. I like the clear tail lamps on this one. I like the dark satin wheels with the black calipers. Just a classy spec, not overstyled, not too many shouty accents on it. All business. Inside, let me make sure I open this door up enough for you. So black leather and Race Tex interior with shark blue accents. That's including the including the stitching here on the interior, and then the blue inlays. Race Tex down here on the armrest and door handle. This has the new folding lightweight bucket seats made out of carbon fiber. They do fold to allow you access into the rear cargo area of the car. So that's a first for these seats now. Plus they just look absolutely so cool. You've got some really neat shapes. These are also leather and Race Tex with the shark blue accent stitching. Just black seat belts, no need to be flashy there. More blue inlays here on the dashboard, and you can see them there on the center console as well. Race Tex on the center armrest. I like that the steering wheel is leather. Race Tex steering wheels tend to get kind of grubby unless you're very fastidious about cleaning them, so I do appreciate that. Another thing I appreciate on the GT3s as opposed to the standard 992.2 911s is you still have this twist switch for the ignition as opposed to the push button. It's just easier to find in a hurry. Here's our instrument cluster, our infotainment screen, leather on the dashboard with more of that blue stitching, absolutely beautiful. And our headliner is also going to be that Race Tex synthetic suede. I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. 6-speed manual transmission. One of very few Porsches you can still have with a manual, so we very much appreciate that. This one is equipped with the front axle lift that'll allow you to raise and lower the nose, and it does have heated seats. Of course, the star of the show is going to be the engine. It's that big 4-liter naturally aspirated flat six that puts out 502 horsepower through that 6-speed manual transmission going to the rear wheels the way our creator intended. If you're interested in learning more about this GT3 or any of the others that I have on sale, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.